Wiggles the butterfly, a journey through metamorphosis. Early this year, our team and mentees embarked on one of the most magical biology experiences we have ever shared. A small box arrived on Monday morning. Inside was something incredibly special, a butterfly chrysalis. Although science often refers to this stage as a pupa, we quickly learned that the correct term for a butterfly is a chrysalis. A hardened outer shell formed from the caterpillar's own skin without the silky cocoon often associated with moths. Almost immediately, our little chrysalis surprised us. As we carefully unboxed it, it suddenly wriggled. Took us quite by surprise. There were many questions. Is it alive? Can it hear us? Does it know we're here? And before long, our chrysalis had earned a name, Wiggles. From about 20 centimetres away, we gently misted Wiggles with 3 sprays of water to help maintain the right humidity. And most of the time, Wiggles moved. What might seem like a tiny movement brought enormous joy. People would gather round to watch. Mentees who would normally prefer different activities would stop by and check on Wiggles. And the team would ask, "Has Wiggles moved today?" For an entire week, our studio was filled with curiosity and anticipation. Together we explored the incredible process of metamorphosis, one of nature's most extraordinary transformations. We spoke about the 4 stages of a butterfly life: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly, and we discussed how inside the chrysalis something almost unbelievable happens. The caterpillar doesn't simply grow wings. Its body undergoes a remarkable transformation, reorganizing itself into an entire new form. Tiny groups of cells called imaginal discs present since the caterpillar hatched, begin developing into wings, legs, antennae, and other adult butterfly features. It seems almost impossible that something hanging so quietly could be changing so dramatically on the inside. As the weeks progressed, everyone became more and more excited in Wiggles' story. Comfortable, and we set up the time-lapse camera. And thankfully we did, because about 1 o'clock on Saturday, something magical happened. Wiggles emerged. Our beautiful butterfly unfolded from the chrysalis, and revealed itself to be an orange lacewing butterfly. Orange lacewings are among Australia's most striking butterflies, with brilliant orange wings edged in black and decorated with delicate white markings. Their undersides resemble intricate lacework, which is where they receive their name, and their beauty serves as a reminder that the incredible diversity found within our natural world. Watching the footage was both exciting and emotional. A creature that had spent an entire week delighting us with its tiny wriggles and wiggles had completed one of nature's most extraordinary journeys. Over the next day, we watched as Wiggles slowly strengthened and expanded his wings, and freshly emerged butterfly needs time for the fluid to pump through the wings and for them to dry and harden before they can fly confidently. And by Monday morning, Wiggles was ready. Together we travelled to a beautiful location near our home, a nature reserve, and released our butterfly back into the world. As Wiggles finally took flight, there was much mixture of excitement and pride, and even a little sadness, because by then Wiggles wasn't simply part of a biology lesson. Wiggles had become a part of our community. This experience reminds us that science is so much more than facts and textbooks. Science is a wonder. Science is asking questions. Science is patiently observing. Science is caring for living things and developing a deeper appreciation for the natural world around us. Through one tiny chrysalis, our mentees experience an anticipation, responsibility, joy, empathy, curiosity. They learnt that sometimes the most incredible transformations happen quietly, hidden from view, and perhaps most importantly, they discovered that even the smallest creatures can inspire the biggest sense of wonder. Thank you, Wiggles, for reminding us just how magical nature can be.